How can engineers avoid getting stuck on technical interview edge cases? Imagine preparing for a technical interview where the questions seem to cover every possible scenario. The challenge is not just solving the problem but anticipating the unexpected twists that interviewers often introduce to test your depth of understanding. To navigate these tricky situations effectively, engineers need to develop a strategic approach grounded in comprehensive knowledge and systematic thinking. One of the most effective ways to avoid getting caught off guard by edge cases is to build a solid foundation in fundamental data structures and algorithms. Understanding how different structures like hash tables, trees, graphs, and queues operate allows you to recognize potential pitfalls and limitations when faced with unusual inputs or constraints. For example, knowing that a hash table can have collisions helps you anticipate scenarios where a naive implementation might fail or become inefficient. Additionally, practicing problem solving with a focus on boundary conditions is crucial. When working through coding challenges, always consider the smallest and largest inputs, empty inputs, null values, and special characters or formats. For instance, if you're solving a problem involving array manipulation, think about what happens when the array is empty, contains only one element, or has duplicate entries. This habit ensures you are prepared for situations that might not be immediately obvious but could cause your code to break. Another key strategy involves developing a mental checklist for analyzing problems. Break down the problem into smaller parts and ask questions such as, what are the possible input variations? Are there any assumptions I am making that might not hold in all cases? Could the problem's constraints lead to performance issues or memory overload? By systematically evaluating these aspects, you can design solutions that are robust against a wide range of scenarios. Engaging in mock interviews or coding exercises that simulate real interview conditions can also significantly reduce the likelihood of being caught off guard. During these sessions, intentionally introduce unusual or extreme inputs to test your solutions. This practice helps you recognize potential edge cases early and refine your approach accordingly. Finally, staying updated with common interview patterns and frequently tested problems can give you an edge. Many interviewers tend to revisit classic problems with new twists, so familiarity with these variations allows you to adapt quickly. Reviewing solutions and understanding the reasoning behind handling specific edge cases enhances your ability to think critically during actual interviews. By combining a strong grasp of core concepts, deliberate practice on boundary scenarios, systematic problem analysis, and continuous learning, engineers can confidently navigate even the most complex edge cases in technical interviews.